I've got a couple of great new wheel cleaning products from Geon. Stay tuned, we're gonna check it out next. Hi, I'm Todd Cooprider with ESOTERIC. Welcome to the area behind our shop, or outdoors, where we clean cars. That way we can give you a little bit of a demo here. And as part of being outside, out back behind the shop, here first thing in the morning, we have got a lot of Columbus rush hour traffic. So sorry, excuse the noise. We don't have a controlled environment this time around. We have got a couple of very cool new products for 2021 from Geon. One is a tire cleaner. One is the new wheel cleaner with iron. Now, what's different about the products? Well, the biggest one here is the wheel cleaner with iron. For years, we've been using just the regular iron decontamination product for cleaning wheels. It's a fantastic product. That's mostly what you're cleaning on wheels. Well, this one here, what's new about it is you have got iron in it with actual cleaners too. It's going to do a fantastic job cleaning up all of the iron from your brakes, and it's got cleaners for the rest of the stuff that's on there. Now, your tire cleaner, if you want to do a good job of putting tire dressing on your cars, you need to have something proper for cleaning up the tires. Think of it as, prepping the surface and ready for a wax or sealant or a coating. Same thing applies with tires. If you had stuff on there a little bit too long, they start to look bad, they start to look brown. You need something that's going to be able to break that stuff down. Now, there are a lot of other tire cleaners on the market. The big difference here is this isn't a really acidic solution like some of the other stuff. I've seen other tire cleaners out there on the market. You put it on, if you don't get it 100% right, you risk damaging wheels. You don't have that issue with this as long as you follow some simple instructions. So what I want to do now is I want to go over, we're going to apply some to the wheels, kind of talk about the process. And the nice thing about either of these products, they can be used on any kind of car, any kind of brake system. And you look behind me here, we've got quite the lineup of cars. Any and all of them, we can use products like these without any worry whatsoever. So let's go over here and take a look at it next to the wheels. All right, with either of the products, the tire cleaner or the wheel cleaner, some safety precautions that you need to think of. One, you want to do it on cool wheel surfaces. So don't go out, hammer in the car, get the brakes and wheels really hot and then use it. You want everything to be cooled down. And another thing is, like we are here, we're in the shade. You don't want to apply this in the direct sunlight. You don't want them to dry on the surface. Okay, so now we've got the cautions out of the way. Let's get into it. First thing I want to talk about is the tire cleaner. This is a really simple product and process to use. What we're going to do is we're going to spray it liberally on the outer edge of the tires. It's okay if it gets onto the wheels. Then we're going to take a brush it in, let it dwell for a couple of minutes. Then, preferably if you have a pressure washer, rinse everything off thoroughly. It's going to do a great job. Now, if you have got some kind of tire dressing on there, maybe it's a silicone base, that really slimy, super shiny type stuff, it may take a couple of applications to clean it up. Otherwise, most cases you're going to run into, one application is going to do the job. So really, as simple as spraying the tire down. Then we're going to take our tire brush, clean everything up, rinse it off, it is good to go. As you can see, really simple process, really effective. It's going to make a big difference in the presentation of the tires. Okay, now going on to the wheel cleaner. You've watched our videos about wheel cleaning before. We're going to link you at the end of this video that takes you into more detail, but it's a really simple process. One, because of the type of product this is, the active ingredient, how do I say this? It smells. You want to make sure that you're in a well-ventilated area, kind of like we are outdoors here, and you don't want to be downwind from it. You don't want the stuff spraying back in your face. So we're going to go in, once again, liberally spray everything down with it. We're going to get in the inner barrels, on the calipers, everything in there. Now, after a couple of minutes, it's going to start to activate. You can already see in the rotors right there, everything is turning red as it is starting to neutralize the iron deposits. From here, you got a couple options. If your wheels are coated, maybe they're not that dirty at all, you can just hit it with a pressure washer and be done with it. Otherwise, you can go in using your wheel brush, get inside there, agitate it. You've got your lug nut brush getting in the tight areas, getting into your brake calipers, then rinse it off. It's as simple as that. Depending on how dirty and everything your wheels are on the car, you can either go ahead and pre-spray down the wheels before you get to them, do one at a time. You just want to make sure, especially in the heat of the summer, you don't do all 4 of them, take too much time, and it gives a chance for everything to dry at the end. Okay, there you have it. 2 great products from Geon for helping your wheel detailing a routine become a little bit easier, a little bit more effective, and keep your car looking fantastic. Now, you want to get into more details of the wheel cleaning process, make sure that you check out the next video that we're going to link you up to. I'm at my house. We're going through the whole process. It walks you through everything that you need to know. As always, we appreciate you hanging out with us here on the Esoteric channel. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.